Another old Hayes. I've taken pictures of this one. This one's on the truck clubs, hayestruckclub.com or org. Don't know much about it. It's been here a few years. Can't quite read the names under the doors. Medicine Hat, Alberta at one point. Something Forest Products under the paint. I'm almost wondering if it was the original H&C logging Hayes. They had one very similar to this. Inspection stickers, last run in 1996. It's a single frame. The old cloth airlines, like our old Kenworth had. All you gotta do is bend them and they break. Got some rust on it. Oh, I don't know enough about them to know if that steering's an original piece or not. It's a 13-speed Hayes. Serial number 5354 is a Cummins 350. Gone are the days of these things hauling logs up and down the highway. Around here, I think they're about 3,000 pounds heavier than a normal truck. Well, I don't like the word normal. To my mind, these are normal trucks, but 3,000 pounds heavier than a modern plastic truck.